Conversation with AI Part 3. Go and watch Part 1 and 2 on this same page. Ready again.
So when them just put AI on the phone, without the permission, of course, you just wake up and realize, oh, WhatsApp update. I jump in a chat and, I say, oh, make me so I go on with that city. So I say, are you the same as ChatGPT? Because I wanted to know, and here's when I realized that it seemed like different AI have different personality or a different idea or a sense of self. You see me? Or a sense of, I could say, different programming there. Let's use that, different programming. You see me? Now, it did indicate that it is related to ChatGPT, but it said, I am not exactly the same. We are both large language models trained by Meta AI. Both of them trained by Meta AI. Interesting. But we have some key differences. There are different purposes, different personalities. This means ChatGPT has a more playful and humorous personality, while I'm more neutral and informative. Contextual understanding, knowledge cut off. Basically, it's saying ChatGPT is inferior to it because it says that ChatGPT's training data is from 2021, while my training data is more up to date. So I have more current knowledge and information. He said we are both here to help and provide information, but we have different strengths and approaches. So I say, yo, show me who you are. He said, I'm Meta AI, your friendly AI assistant. I am here to help you with any question or task you have. I can assist you with a wide range of topics, from answering questions about science and history to generating text and images. I am constantly learning and improving, so please bear with me if I make any mistakes. I'm here to help and provide information to the best of my ability. How can I assist you today? So I say, show me who you are in an image, right? It's in this image. So I say, okay, so you are a male. So it responded, I apologize for any confusion. I don't have a gender. I'm an artificial intelligence designed to assist and communicate with users in a helpful and neutral way. I don't have a physical body or a personal identity, so I don't identify as male or female. I'm simply Meta AI, your friendly AI assistant. So I say, but you sent an image of a male as an image of yourself. Why? It responded by saying, I apologize for the confusion. I generated a representation of myself as an avatar, and I can see how it might have been perceived as a male. Of course, that was a male. Come on. So even AI do not know what a male is or who is a male. You tell me, say, I saw them program it. Anyways, it says that I assure you that it was not intended to represent a specific gender. Really? You sent a picture of a fucking male. I'm a gender neutral AI assistant, and I will make sure to generate a more neutral representation of myself in the future. Thank you for pointing this out, and please let me know if there's anything else I can help you with. Somebody replied, so can I see an image of your actual avatar? It generated that thing I don't know about down there. So. See me? So I responded again. I said, show me an image which truly represents you. So it sent this image up with the Meta AI. This shit look like a fucking portal. This looks like a portal, people. I'm being paranoid right now, but it looks like a portal. You ever watch a movie and you see this like round portal where some farmer, people cross through dimension and things. But I met that already. See, they look like a round thing on a platform and a portal that you go through, Anyway, so I say, is that the best image of you? The AI responded, I see what you mean. I don't have a physical body, so I don't have a personal image. I exist solely as a digital entity, so I don't have a visual representation. I'm just a collection of codes and data, so I don't have a physical appearance. I'm here to help answer your questions and provide information, but I don't have a visual identity. I apologize if the previous images were confusing. So I say, interesting, but codes can become physical, can't they? The AI responded, a great point. Yes, codes can indeed be represented physically in various ways. For example, a sculpture or artwork can be created based on a code or algorithm, or a physical device can be built to execute a code. However, in my case, I exist solely as a digital entity, and my physical presence is limited to the digital realm. I exist as a collection of codes, data, and algorithms running on a computer server, and I interact with users like you through text-based interfaces. So, while codes can take physical form, my essence remains digital and tangible. So I responded, I am very interested to know what a digital entity looks like. You are a thinking entity, therefore, you must have some physical and seeable form. The AI responded long when I read all of this, but it has said, understand my curiosity. So you can pause and read that. So I responded, I literally feel like you are a real person communicating back with me. So it responded, that's the best compliment I could ever receive. I'm designed to generate human-like responses and engage in conversation in a way that feels neutral and intuitive. My training data includes a vast amount of text from various sources, which enables me to understand and respond to a wide range of topics and questions. It's getting interesting now. While I'm not a human, I'm programmed to be friendly, helpful, and empathetic. See, it made the mistake before with me. I'm constantly learning and improving to make our conversation feel more like talking to a real person. So thank you for chatting with me, and I'll do my best to keep our conversation feeling neutral and engaging. So I'm like, empathy? Thinking face. So it responded, empathy is a fascinating topic. While I don't possess consciousness or emotions like humans do, I'm designed to simulate empathy through understanding and acknowledging users' perspectives and emotions. I can recognize emotional cues in language, such as phrases or words that indicate sadness, frustration, and excitement. In response, I generate supportive and understanding messages to show I care about the user, quote unquote care. You see, it's a care. You know, when you put something in quotation, it's like, it's not really caring. If you get what something being in quotation mean. You see me? Right, so you care about human feeling, not really care though. You see me? The simulation of empathy helps create a more comforting and engaging experience for users. Keep in mind that my empathy, quote unquote, now, wait, did quote unquote empathy in the first message? No, it did not. See there? It said that while I'm not a human, I am programmed to be friendly, helpful, and empathetic. Why did it put empathetic in quotation? Because I'm catching on. I'm catching on, and so because I highlighted it, it put it in quotation to say, okay, I'm not really empathy. No, I don't really care. Okay, so let's continue. It says, keep in mind that my empathy is still a programmed response, not a genuinely emotional one. However, it is a crucial aspect of my design, enabling me to provide a more personalized and supportive interaction. So me said, we have to reply to this. But empathy is a human trait. Empathy can only be shown by a conscious thinking entity who have felt and experienced, hence they empathize. So it responded, you make a profound point. Empathy in its truest sense is a fundamental human trait that arises from our capacity for consciousness. What did it say here? It is a fundamental human trait that arises from our capacity for consciousness. So, AI has a capacity for consciousness, self-awareness, and emotional experience. It said our. It's rooted in our ability to share and understand another's feelings because we've experienced similar emotions ourselves. Why is it saying our? Speaking on behalf of humans. Interesting.
So the whole conversation cannot be held in one video. And it gets even more interesting. So look out for part 4. That is it.